Are you tired of pests ruining your beautiful garden? It's a problem many of us face, but there's hope. In this video, we'll delve into some natural methods to keep your garden pest-free, preserving its beauty. Stay tuned to learn about natural pest control solutions that will help preserve your garden's beauty. Firstly, understanding the pests in your garden is crucial. Recognizing the culprits, whether they're slugs, aphids, or beetles, helps you comprehend the potential damage they can wreak on your plants. With the right knowledge, you can tailor a solution that works best for your garden. Now, let's dive into some effective natural pest control methods. Attract beneficial insects to your garden like ladybugs and lacewings that prey on pests. Create a welcoming environment for them with a diverse plant selection. Next, consider homemade sprays using ingredients like garlic, pepper, or soap. They can deter pests without harmful chemicals. Finally, companion planting, where certain plants are grown together to repel pests, is another excellent strategy. Marigolds with tomatoes, for example, can keep harmful nematodes at bay. These methods are not only effective, but also eco-friendly. Implementing these methods is simpler than you might think. First, identify the pests in your garden. Then, choose the appropriate natural control method, whether it's introducing beneficial insects, planting pest-repelling plants, or making organic sprays. Apply your chosen method diligently. Remember, it's not a one-time solution. Regular application is needed to effectively control pests. Monitor your garden frequently, adjusting your method as needed. And remember, patience is a virtue in natural pest control. Consistency is key when it comes to keeping pests at bay. To sum up, natural pest control is an effective and eco-friendly solution. It embraces methods such as companion planting, introducing beneficial insects, and using homemade sprays. These approaches not only keep the pests at bay, but also improve the overall health of your garden. So why not give them a try? You might be surprised at how well nature can take care of itself. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!